Hello, my channel family. Thank you very much for coming again. I have no doubt that today's videos will be very useful and educational. If you are new, please subscribe and become a family. Castor oil advantages you may not know of. While it is no secret that the clinical world has made a great quantity of progress in the last few centuries, there are likewise concerns raised regarding how great antibiotics, as well as other medications, can be. The exact same antibiotic may not function time after time, as well as researchers today are fretted that conditions quickly might be immune to antibiotics. Nevertheless, making use of antibiotics is to be booked only for extreme health problems. What one has to comprehend is that to maintain oneself healthy and balanced, there are normally available products that could be applied. As an example, castor oil has many health and wellness benefits that you could unknown of. Castor oil has different properties that are beneficial to the skin. Yet the distinct buildings are not known to many. Yes, the application of this oil is diverse, as well as plenty of. Let's check out some advantages of castor oil that are not popular. 1. Skin swelling avoidance. Skin swelling takes place due to the disruption of the skin when accumulated misusages cause the skin to react in a provocative means. Castor oil has the residential or commercial property to extract the dirt, and this is the reason that all contaminations in the skin, including microbes, dead skin cells, and excess oil, are removed. This helps your skin to protect its all-natural smooth structure. 2. Skin rashes. Applying castor oil specifically onto the rashes will certainly be practical in minutes. Castor oil has a skin-smoothing activity, and with hostile to bacterial and parasitical homes, you can prepare for that. The rashes will certainly disappear soon. Additionally, there are no after effects with making use of this oil. 3. Castor oil for hair. Some people claim that applying pure castor oil to their hair can make it look shinier and grow faster, but there's no evidence of this. Castor oil is indeed an ingredient in some conditioners and other hair products, Dr. Hopkins concedes, but there is no data to show that applying pure castor oil to your hair promotes growth. But it can lead to clogged pores, scalp acne, and otherwise irritated skin. In rare cases, applying castor oil to your hair can even lead to a scalp disorder called acute hair felting, when your hair becomes so hard, tangled, and matted that it has to be cut off or shaved. What to try instead? There are plenty of claims about how to make your hair grow faster, but unfortunately, most of them just aren't true. One that may be worth trying is rosemary oil, which has been scientifically shown to encourage hair regrowth. For the most part, though, the only true growth serum is patience and proper hair care, which keeps your locks healthy. And sometimes, you need a healthcare provider's help. If you're experiencing significant hair loss or thinning, see your doctor to rule out illnesses or nutrient deficiencies, Dr. Hopkins advises. 4. Castor oil for eye health. Rumor has it that Cleopatra used castor oil to brighten the whites of her eyes, a claim that has fueled some people's belief that castor oil can contribute to healthier eyes. Proponents claim that it can do everything from improve eyesight to cure glaucoma. None of these claims has any merit, Dr. Hopkins states. In fact, putting castor oil in your eyes can cause side effects like irritation, pain, blurred vision, and even chemical burn-induced eye damage. What to try instead? If you're experiencing eye problems, it's important to see an eye care specialist who can help you identify the issue and preserve your vision. No home remedy, including castor oil, is going to do the trick. What about castor oil packing? Some social media users say they rub castor oil directly onto their stomach or into their belly button, while others apply a castor oil pack, aka a cloth soaked in castor oil, to their skin. They claim it can relieve cramps, clear skin, aid digestion, and generally detox the body. Some people have gone so far as to claim that using castor oil in these ways can help break up tumors in the body, a claim so ludicrous and false that the only response is, no way. There is absolutely no scientific proof that these practices have any benefits whatsoever, stresses Dr. Hopkins. There's just no catch-all remedy that can detox your body. What to try instead? This bears repeating. There's no catch-all remedy that can detox your body. Your overall health is the result of a combination of factors and practices, like eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, avoiding smoking, and engaging in other healthy habits. Skip the castor oil packs and turn to tried and true methods instead. To relieve period cramps, try a heating pad and over-the-counter pain relievers. If you can't find relief, make an appointment with an OB/GYN. For clear skin, adopt a skincare routine tailored to your skin's specific needs and make an appointment with a dermatologist for help. For tummy troubles, add fermented foods to your diet, try probiotics, and make lifestyle changes that promote healthy digestion. Speak with a gastroenterologist or a dietitian for specialized guidance. Finally, it should go without saying that there are no natural remedies that can shrink tumors. You always need to consult with a healthcare provider to determine treatment for a tumor, Dr. Hopkins states. Is it okay to drink castor oil? Remember what we said about castor oil not being considered an edible oil? That should tell you everything you need to know. Castor oil is known to cause severe intestinal cramping and diarrhea, which can also lead to dangerous dehydration, Dr. Hopkins warns. It shouldn't be consumed without a healthcare provider's guidance. And it's not something most providers are going to recommend. Risks and side effects of castor oil. For good measure, let's run through some of the risks of using castor oil again. Applying castor oil to the skin, including through a so-called castor oil pack, can cause skin irritation, rash, and other allergic reactions. Consuming castor oil comes with side effects like bloating, cramping, diarrhea, and vomiting. Putting castor oil in your eyes can lead to burning, pain, blurred vision, redness, and even eye damage. Putting castor oil in your hair can result in irritation, clogged pores, acne, and even a rare scalp disorder. There are other risks too. In people who are pregnant, castor oil can cause premature contractions. Castor oil can negatively interact with medications like antibiotics, blood thinners, and diuretics. If you have appendicitis, inflammatory bowel disease, or another gastrointestinal condition, castor oil can worsen your condition. At the end of the day, nearly all of the claims about the health benefits of castor oil are either unproven or false. There's just no need to use castor oil for anything related to your health and wellness, Dr. Hopkins reiterates. For every instance in which social media users claim you can use castor oil, there are other, scientifically proven methods that work better and are safer. Thank you very much for coming again. I have no doubt that today's videos will be very useful and educational. If you are new, please subscribe and become a family.